Hello friends, welcome back to Money, Business and Finance with Sawan Kumar, and today we are gonna talk about sales. Yes, we will continue talking about sales, learning about sales and being a better salesperson. And when I say salesperson, when I say being a better salesperson, when I say about being a better salesman, I have two things that I want to talk about today. Number one is that you do not know you are a salesman. Number two, you are a salesman but feel bad about it. Feel bad about being a salesman. You are a salesman but you are not able to shout out loud in the society that yes, I am a salesman. Why? Why are these two problems there? How come? Let's talk about the first thing. How come do you not know that you are a salesman? How come do I not know that I am a salesman? No matter what's there in your visiting card, no matter what's in there your visiting card, whether you are a director, you are a founder, a CEO, a operations manager, operations executive, a marketing executive, a sales executive, no matter what is there in your business card, no matter what your age is, no matter what in your personal life you do or in your professional life you do, you are always a salesman. Whether it's about convincing your child to do something, whether it's about proposing a girl or asking a girl to marry you, or asking a bank to give you an housing loan, or asking the bank to give you a business loan, or asking the customer to buy your product, or anything around it. Whatever role you are in, you are always a salesman. This is one thing that we need to understand, that we at every stage of our life, at every step of our life, we are conducting the duty of being a salesman, and our life greatly depends on how good a salesman we have been. Our successes greatly depends on how wonderful a salesperson we have been, be it our personal lives or our professional lives. Whatever it is, the success of your professional life or the success of your personal life, your relationships, it will all depend on how good a salesman you are. So, by now you would have understood, by now you would be sure about why really is it important to be a salesman, and why we are all salespeople. We are all salesmen, no matter what our designation is, no matter what our visiting card says, but we are always a salesman. So we need to know this as the first thing, that we are always a salesman. The second thing, why as salesman do you feel bad about being a salesman? Why as a salesman you feel or you do not like being called a salesman? Why do we as community see salesman as somebody who is always pushy, somebody who is always asking you to buy a product, or somebody who is looking at his worried about his commissions and targets? And why? No, salesmen have a far bigger role in the society. They are not only working to reach or achieve or get a commission. They are not only working to meet some sales target. They are not only worried about earning money for themselves. Salespeople are the foundation of any economy. Salesmen are the foundation of any business. It's not the government who runs the country. It has never been the government who runs the country. Who runs the country? It's the businesses. It's the salesmen in the businesses who are running the governments, who are running the economies, who are paying away the taxes, who are giving away everything that is needed to run a successful country. So it is you, the salesman, who is responsible, who has the ownership of running an economy, of running the country. If you become weak, if you feel shy, or if you feel bad about being called as a salesman, you are no less than a soldier. You are no less than a soldier. If the soldier is guarding the borders in the boundary, you are guarding the country, because you are taking care of the economy. You are taking care of the growth of the country. You are taking care of the success of the country. So you are no less, rather you are the first person who needs to be thanked for. And you are not pushy. You are not taking any favor from anybody. Rather, you are doing a favor by bringing your product in front of the customer who really needs a good and a wonderful product. You are bringing your service in front of the customer who needs a wonderful service. So you are actually doing a favor for the customers by bringing them, or by giving them the right product and the right service right when they need it the most. So you are not taking a favor, rather you are doing a favor. So whenever you make the next call, or whenever you go on the next visit to the client, do not feel as if you have been honored because the client called you. You are so thankful because the client called you. No, you do not have to feel that way. You have to be confident. You have to know your product and your services really well, and then you have to sell the product. And how do you make the sell? How do you make the sales? You make the sales by convincing, by telling the customer why they need my product, why they need your product, why they need you, and why you are the best person to buy that product from, why you in your company is the best person to buy that product from, how buying that product from you can they get benefited in terms of service, in terms of the quality, in terms of anything that you promise that you are giving. So you are the catalyst of growth. You are not taking favors, rather you are doing favor to the economy, to the society, to the country. So do not feel bad, do not feel sorry about being called as a salesman. You are taking the burden of the entire globe on your shoulders and making sure that the country becomes successful. So do not feel bad about being a salesman. So all of us are salesmen, and we should not be shying, we should not be feeling bad, or we should not be feeling sorry about being called as a salesman, because not everybody can become as a good salesman. Not everybody can become a good salesman. There are a lot of myths around being a salesman. There are a lot of myths about being a good salesperson. We always at times say that a salesperson is a born sales guy. No, it's not that. You can be trained. There is nobody who is a born sales guy. The only difference between you and a good salesperson is that he has trained himself to be a good salesperson, and you have not done that. You have not done that. That is the only difference. So come on, go out, be the best salesperson around, be the best marketing person around, and you will see the difference that you bring to yourself, your family, your business, and your country. Wish you all the very best from me, Savan Kumar, and I would love seeing you as a successful salesperson in whatever field you are in. Do let me know if you need any help about being a successful salesperson. I'll be waiting for your calls, your queries, and until then, have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.